Hey. So I skipped a day of work on the project because I was thinking about other things. Principally, I wanted to understand how you grow a channel. Not that I really need to do that, but I'm always curious to learn new things, and I wanted to try to understand how it's done. So I've done a lot of thinking, and I mean, programming is already something that very few people do, and then I'm not interested in mainstream programming, so I can't even pretend that I'm going to copy another channel and take inspiration and just do the same. That will not work for me because I'm just not interested in what others are doing. Um, there are still things to learn, but overall, that will not work for me. So I had to meditate on that, and therefore it took me a little bit of time. So this website, from last time we were finally able to get the CSS working. It's not too visible here, the navigation, so I should do something about it. Let's temporarily, no, not templates, change it. So here, the background color is just too dark. We can go with something like this. Also, we were able to make it work because we changed the configuration in Vite. We added this asset file name here to have the CSS file with a name that is not does not contain a hash, so that I can put the style sheet in the HTML more easily. We're not going to see it here, we're going to see in the root. Yeah, here. I could name it differently, but because I don't actually care, we are not going to do that. What I find strange is that it relates to the root, even though the CSS file is imported in navigation. Not important enough to care. So let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, it's still a bit hard to see, so we are going to make some effort. Let's see, can we find the example? I think it was here. Yes. So padding 10px. Let's see. What's that doing? Yeah, it's a bit thicker. That's good. And then we need to Oh, so this is the text color? Oh wait, active link, I would say I think there is maybe something you can do with npx options here to have it automatically recompile. Oh, I can show all routes? Really? Okay, it's just going to scan the files and show me. Okay. Okay, it's just showing me the file. This is pretty much useless. Is it the watch? Build dev or route? The problem is that I have my own backend, so I cannot use the dev option. Okay, that's all there is to it. The profile here. The course option here. Yeah, it's it's nothing special. I thought there were more interesting options there. So did I rebuild actually? Okay, so now the active link is white. Not exactly the color that I want, but okay. The over style is nav link. My style is usually something really dark gray on the background, and here it's more like yellow, So it should be like, I think a DD2 would be fine. Yeah, it's a slightly too yellow, but it's a bit dark. Let's go back to the 333. And then it's yellow, reddish. Let's keep it this way. Here we want something that is more orange-like, which means more red, which means I think B or A. And this should be 3, maybe. Yeah, it's almost there. We need more space between the two, though. Let me check that again. Oh, there is the over color also. Oh, there's a margin, okay. So margin, I don't get it. This is horizontal, this is vertical? That's not what I expected. And I don't know what the transition is. Let's try this margin here. It has to be left-right margin, this one. Otherwise it doesn't make sense. Oh, it didn't work. Is it because... Wait, it does not recognize... I should have done it like this. The PX should be... Yeah, like that. I had the space between 15 and PX. Let me remove it. What I'm worried about is the body. Aha! You see 960? It feels so big. Okay. So let's click on this. Yeah, it becomes active. Alright, and it's not reloading. I mean, that's fine. Next step. Oh, the font is not what I like. Oh, is there a... No. Let's go... The music is really weird. I don't know what's going on with this playlist. Okay, that's more my style. And yeah. I mean, okay, decoration, okay. You remove the decoration on the link that is not active. I can see that now. Okay. So only home will be underlined and test will no longer be underlined. Oh, wait. Nothing is underlined. Okay. That's not what I expected. Oh, and we still have the modification where we add something to the data. Need to pay attention to that, not something that we want to keep. Maybe in home, and yeah, I'll link here. Now that we know it works, we don't need to do that anymore. Okay. It doesn't do anything anymore. So a test here. Okay. Let's check the old logicum right now. So we had, this is home with the logo. Actually, I want to download it, the logo. And I can also, okay, I will keep the same palette maybe. Is this black? Yes, you see, on the over it becomes yellow. But otherwise it's orange kind of. And here you have the name of the page. And here you can test the script, you play the game that I want to share. There will not be anything. I have it a PayPal here, but it's not active. I mean, about. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of happy about remaking the website. Not gonna lie. So let's move it closer. Okay. I think maybe we can get the favicon. No. Yeah, not fun, because the favicon is... I need to... Your page source maybe? Oh, it's rel, okay. I'm serving a static file, okay. Okay, I got it now, so I need to move it where? What is this? This file was not there before. What is this doing here? It's when I run the npx command. What is this doing here? Hydrate root. This is getting me worried. Okay. I can just put it in the app and not care about anything. Now it's there, but is it going to get packaged? I don't think so. Oh, what I wanted to see was a rail icon and the path. Okay. I need import from okay, that's a weird syntax. That's a weird syntax. Okay, import from okay. Oh, it's already there. So I can remove this garbage, and then the font is nice. The problem is how to put it into the... Oh, maybe it works now actually, if I make. Because it's imported, so it might work. Doesn't look like it worked. Let's see the server. He didn't find the file. Oh, don't tell me. Nope. It's just not there in the assets. So, what is it doing? TypeScript does not recognize static asset import. Include VidClear. Compiler option VidClear. Client. VidClient. It's already there. So it should work. Yet it doesn't. What do I do? Why I have to own zero? Something is wrong. I don't trust this file. Oh wait, no, the path is correct. If this works, then this should work. Can we... Show me the 5 icon because it doesn't look like it's getting loaded. Why isn't this an error? No manifest. Oh, local storage as a cookie? No, it doesn't. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I get the error for the favicon. Only this home is used, from what I can see. Which is this one. Yep. And this one. Oh, they're referring to each other. This one refers to this one. This one refers to this one. This is so strange. Why is this necessary? Okay, I don't want to spend all day finding out why the image doesn't work. Do I need to remove that? I don't get it. It's still not packaged. Yeah, pretty useless. The guy is telling you it doesn't work, and you report him to the documentation. People. Okay, I solved the CSS issue, so I will worry about Tailwind later. This I need to do. I thought I would read this, but I don't know when. Wait. Shouldn't I do something like this? Still doesn't work. Oh, it works. Okay. What did he do? Because here I see the CSS file, but I don't see any PNG file in the build, so I'm a bit surprised here. But if it works, well, no need to worry about anything else. Now, need to worry about the nav bar. In my case, it's just a div, and it's a 32 pixel size, so we can get it again. Okay. Oh, okay. Now I have to think about the alignment of things. This margin is right, this padding, maybe not so. No, the padding was correct actually. It's a text alignment which is incorrect. Oh my god, this is beautiful. That's just the way I like it. Okay, okay, okay. So now we can make the navigation bar dark. Or almost. I like that. The only problem is the links. Wait, this is not bold. Nothing to do here. And I can remove this, I think. Nice. It's starting to look like the old website again. This is the live website. This is what we are building. So the size here doesn't look right. Did I pick a height for the nav? Yeah, maybe I would have to. Oh, I have a viewport here. Okay, so... Oh, I can have the footer too. I already have applications that I need to make people able to download, so, well, not really. I just got the Tetris application. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Or maybe it is. What I want to do. I don't know how to go to where I want. Oh wait. Just do this. And that's enough. Look, that's us. That's us. We are live. Oh my gosh. Alright. We have a channel. Isn't that amazing? It's not a good channel, but it does exist. 130 videos. Mostly live or real videos. I don't have that many. Yeah, I don't have that many videos. I have 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 16. 16 videos. Why did I come here? Why did I come here? I don't remember. I was looking at this. Oh yes, the video. Application. Yes, just this Tetris here. And the code review here. 1 hour 30 minutes of code review. Insane. People are never going to watch this because I didn't release the virtual machine and programming language, so we are not going to enjoy that. And here, just me playing Tetris with the audio. What to do? Okay. I need, first of all, the website to do multiple things. And let's remember that the focus was to do multiple things, but first allow the user to manage a list of links and to tag them by category or topic or whatever he wants. That's a web application. So Let's just write the things that we want and then we organize them later. So it's here, or is it? Yeah, it should not be here. What's the content? It should be here, but I can't figure. Oh, it's this, guys. Oh, yes, this is the username. I don't want it here. I want it in the navigation. Like you can have a menu like coding game does, upright, and I need a search bar, but the search bar I don't want it in the navigation either. And then I have to think about mobile users. So how to handle this? And that's an issue. I need to synchronize because this page comes from the backend. I have to make sure it's styled exactly like the front end. I have to pay attention to that. I don't like what I'm doing right now. So hardware is one category. Then we have inside of which there is art, which is music, sound, and maybe I want to do it like this. Programming is not necessarily... Damn, it's annoying. Okay, first of all there is like game design, okay? So, I feel like it's better like this. Okay. Like pathfinding. News at the top. A list of channels here. And then over websites. And I need some space for the logic cube itself. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so big. All the games, the virtual machine, the programming language, and the application framework. So that's a section, that's a section, and that's another section. And then the news is another section, and other resources. Okay. Like here, like open game art. So inside the old website will be here. I also need a repository. The rest will be mostly like documentation, how the virtual machine, the programming language and application work, the game that you can download. I wanted like, so we said learn, this is documentation about the virtual machine programming, whatever. Build is how to build the virtual machine and get access to the language. Play is the games themselves, and share, yeah, I don't know. Because user-generated content is a dangerous thing to do. People are always going to do bad things, and I cannot be responsible for what they do, so. Alright, I have to, yeah. Oh, all this content, it's going, oh yes, I have multiple versions, so this version here, it's like version 2 or 3, I don't know. I need the new, only the new version will be there. The old version will be archived, so actually maybe, yeah. So that's already so much content that can't write my, oh, and there is the web app. Okay. We have links, we have tags. I need to React like find, there are groups, like messages, expire 14 days. Oh, there also you need notes. Okay, and then you need visibility. It's for the link. Visibility, and then you need the search engine. That's an insane roadmap here. Wait, do I have space for... Yeah, I forgot something. Programming languages. Come on, come here. Yeah, we need this too. Actually, this is just going to be pixel art. I don't care about the rest. Actually, the website can be done more easily if I would invite people to help me make the website. Because that's just too much work. The thing is, nobody is interested in what I'm doing. I have to prove myself first. Oh, and I forgot events. Oh, that will be with the news. I need I need to transform this to HTML. You see I have multiple versions. I have 0.1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, some stuff. I need to publish this. Since January or something. So this is web. I have another website inside of Flask here. Oh, this is .venv. That's how I named it. Show hidden objects, okay. I just want to see the HTML. Yeah. Okay, so we have news at the front of the website. Events. The user application, when he is logged in, he can access all this. I suppose I need like something like that. Now about making games, the section game design, game art, game development, and then hardware, talking about Raspberry Pi and stuff, and then programming language theory. So here we will have obviously like for like Lisp, like C, like Pascal maybe, and that should be, although not sure about Pascal because those three. Those three are enough. Maybe like this one does not count. But those three most important, I think. And then here, LogicCube, all the versions. Repository, this is the documentation, and this is the games to download. I guess there could be other applications. I guess what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, I've never seen this before. I heard the viewer is gone. Probably didn't understand what I was doing. That's the first time I have a viewer while I'm coding this this thing here. Yes, so the next thing, but he didn't even leave a message in the chat, so I didn't miss anything. Other resources. So in games, yeah, website, open game art, other YouTube channels to watch. This is fine by me. Here I want to have applications that are not games. So I will just have over something. So the main thing is game and everything is just over things. So now the question is, can I execute on all this? Already just making the virtual machine and publishing games is going to be a lot of work. Making the website with all these features will be a lot of work. Although it's not that far away, because the app here only matters when the user is logged in. So need the login button to be there. I need this to be the Logic Cube logo and everything to the left, the login to the right. I also need an avatar for the user. So if the user is like email, username, password, and yeah, avatar seems alright. Oh, it's not generating everything like it's supposed to. I don't see. Do I need to make? No, it doesn't matter the make. Oh, I'm an idiot. This is the page that I'm supposed to look at. Damn it. Alright. So repose the VM, programming language application for the game, and then over stuff. This could just be resources. Like external resources or something. Stuff that you will not find on the website. So okay, so let's count. We have I didn't regenerate the page. Okay, we have external resources. We have the Logic Cube itself. We have PLT, we have hardware, and we have making games, and we have the user app, events, and news. That's a huge website. I cannot do that alone. I don't think so. But let's say if this works and I get everything done, it's going to be a fantastic website. I think especially if we get those features here, and with the search engine you can search the website and find all the articles that you need to learn how to make games, and I make the videos about every topic, like, oh shit, I need Python here. I need Python. These are my main tools, except I don't do Lisp. I don't really do Lisp, but I use many ideas that come from Lisp into, and C is just Unix. I guess, yeah. It's GNU Linux, the C there. So yeah. What time is it? That's 1 hour 30 of work. Can we do something else for the website? I don't think so. Yeah, I need to realign those things. So they look like this. I need to do the over. I count the categories, news, events. This is the login stuff. So when you're logged in, you get my, like, is it your profile or MySpace? I would call it MySpace. These are articles. Basically, yes. These are articles, I think. But it's about making games, so should I call it like game making? Yeah, I need a. I don't think the navigation bar can get everything, except if I do it like maxroll.gg. They do have a huge navigation bar at the top, and then menus that roll down here, so I can probably pull this off. Also, I need to think. No, that will be it. News, events, user app, making games, hardware. What's a Game Boy? I need the Game Boy in there. Crap. No, just the Game Boy, not the Super Nintendo. I would have put the Super Nintendo there, but no, that's too much. Yep. This is... I can just use PLT as an abbreviation for this one. What is the name of this feature? Is it a desktop? A user area? A house? No. Or should I just call it a home? You get a home on the website if you're a supporter. But I should not do that. I should allow the user to create a space, but some features are only available to supporter status or something like that. I don't know. Repo, virtual machine. External. Yeah, we figure this out. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to put 8 things in here, so that's about 12. What, are you serious? No, okay, that's 120. I wanted to do 960 pixels divided by 8. So I have 120 pixels, not counting the padding or margins, to have each menu element at the top. Okay, I think that's doable. A drop-down list for every subsequent item. I mean, for the backend, I don't know. This is backend, okay? Because each user data, that's what it is. This could also be backend. This could also be backend. But this is really static. I could still load it from the backend, but I don't see a reason why. All of this seems very, very static content. Except no, the repository. It will be. The repository is just something that you're going to download. It's going to be a Git repo, and you will not be able to submit pull request or stuff like that. I will not accept pull request. And then external stuff. Down. This is big. Okay, so next time we finish the navigation bar and we work we need to work on this, or maybe not. Maybe we go straight to this, because if I can publish something, the repo, virtual machine, programming language, etc. At the very least, I need to make the Tetris application downloadable. And I need the copyright at the bottom. I think I can do it. It's going to take a long time, but I think I can do not everything at once, but little by little I can do it. Alright, that's it for this episode. And yeah, next time we finish the navigation bar, we fix the text alignment, we put it's going to be a lot of work anyway, because I need a drop down menu, and I need to test it on mobile, which means I need the 3- menu to also work on a phone, and that's going to be another nightmare to make it work, I believe. It's not that easy. Alright, it's the end. See you next time. Like, subscribe if you're watching this. I don't know why you would do that, but